next level, whereby we are joining these wires to the main of the power supply, which is a transformer, whereby it takes the power high voltage and it slows it down to 24 volts and 12 voltage for our motor to be used. So guys, it's done. So guys, we're moving for the next level. We're testing if our homemade fan actually works. So guys, as we have seen, it's this one. So this part can be used to fix this homemade fan in any position in the house or any place whereby it's friendly environment and it doesn't produce any sound or much sound compared to other manufactured fans from other companies. So guys, thank you so much for those who have been watching, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we come to the enclosure of our project homemade fan. Let's dive in to test it together. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a new channel, but with your help you may assist us to grow this channel. So guys, it's there. So guys, as you can see, you can fix there in the home.